Okay, in this section, we're going to talk about campaign structure inside of Facebook. And what I'm referring to is how Facebook organizes the ad campaigns and how you can organize yourself within that structure to make life easy in terms of being able to manage your campaigns effectively. There's really three components of the structure to understand: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Campaigns, ad sets, and ads. So what's a campaign? This is a screenshot from inside of Facebook. Think of the campaign as the foundation of your ad set. At the campaign level, you'll choose an advertising objective. Example, promote your page. Your advertising objective defines what you want your ad to achieve. For example, if you promote your page, your ad will be optimized to get more likes on your business's Facebook page. Okay? So you are organizing your campaign, or you're creating a campaign based around an objective, what you want to accomplish with that particular ad campaign that you're running. So what's an ad set? An ad set tells your ad how to run. At the ad set level, you'll create an audience for your ad using Facebook's targeting options. You'll define your audience by choosing things like location, gender, age, and more. You'll also create a budget and set a schedule for your ad and choose your placements. So keep in mind that a campaign can include multiple ad sets, each with different targeting, scheduling, and budgeting options selected. Okay, so that's really important. So again, going back to the campaign level, I can say that my objective is to get more likes to my page. My ad set level, which is inside of that campaign, I can have multiple ad sets running ads for different time frames, targeting different groups, targeting different locations, okay, all within that same campaign. All right. And then finally is an ad. An ad is what your customers or audience will see on Facebook. At the ad level, you'll choose your ad creative, which may include things like images, videos, text, call to action button, things like that. Okay, and you can have multiple ads within a single ad set, which is why, or how you accomplish, testing and things like that. Okay, so that is the structure: campaign, ad sets, and ads. And again, campaigns, you're organizing really based on objective, and then the other variable that I suggest that you include there is brand. Okay, so in terms of how you now kind of organize yourself within the structure at the campaign level, if you are advertising for multiple brands, then I would suggest that you do the brand and the objective as the name of your campaign. Okay, so brand A, click to website. Brand A, page likes. Brand A, right? So the way that you're naming it, you name it by the brand and the objective, just to make it easy for you to see, okay, I know what that particular campaign is doing. And then the ad sets, I organize by the targeting information, right? Because the ad set is where we really set that targeting information. So let's say within a particular campaign, I'm running ads to men, I'm running ads to women, I'm running ads to people in one city versus another city. I would organize my ad campaigns and name, or my ad sets, and name my ad sets by that targeting information so that I could quickly see, oh, that is the ad set that's going after men, that's the ad set that's going after women, that's the ad set that's targeting people in San Diego, that's the ad set that's targeting people in San Francisco, right? So just naming conventions really help us with the organization, and following Facebook's lead in terms of structure really helps us. And again, at the ad level, that's where it's all about the creative, right? So is it a video ad? Is it a image ad? Does it have copy stressing one particular angle versus another angle? Right? Those are the types of things that I could include, again, in my naming structure and organization. So you're going to have one campaign per brand and objective. You're going to have multiple ad sets per campaign, and you could have many ads per ad set. Okay, you don't necessarily have to at any one time, but you can. Right? So just keeping that in mind. So this is just an example of how I would organize. Again, so if my brand was Kill My Job, I may call my campaign KMJ, CTW. Okay, KMJ, Kill My Job, click the website. Right? So if I was advertising another brand, I might have a little acronym for it, or I could write it all out, but I like to just kind of save room when I'm naming these campaigns. So, but it's KMJ, click the website. So this is just a nice way for me to just name the campaign something simple. So there's the brand, there's the objective. At the ad set level, again, this is about targeting. So maybe I'm targeting men in the U.S. who are interested in internet marketing, right? KMJ, we do a lot with internet marketing. So I'm targeting people who have shown interest in internet marketing interests, men 35 plus. Okay, so that's just an example, again, of how I might name and organize one particular ad set in this campaign versus another ad set might be US, IM, W, 35 plus, which would just be women, right? So I'm just using these kind of codes to organize things so it's easy for me to find the different ads that I'm running and see which ones are performing well and learn from that as I'm reviewing my campaign performance. And then for the ad itself, again, I may say, okay, one of the things I'm going to stress is this idea of freedom as an online entrepreneur. So I could have freedom copy, island image. And then maybe a different ad could be freedom copy, I don't know, skiing image, right? If you're free, you can be out skiing and stuff, so depending on, who that person is, where I'm targeting, stuff like that, skiing image might do better than an island image. So at the ad level, I could just use that language, again, just to kind of organize my campaign structure so that things are easy to find and easy to evaluate the performance on, right? If I'm looking at my ad manager and I have these ads labeled correctly, I would very easily be able to see, well, how is my island image doing versus my skiing image, right? So just think about that when you're organizing your campaigns. Follow Facebook's campaign structure lead and organize your campaigns using that structure and using a naming formula that will quickly make sense to you when you're evaluating your campaigns and help you find each of your campaigns, ad sets, and ads as you're going through and doing your evaluation and optimization of your ad campaigns.